Hey, what's up guys, it's Tech Sumer talking to you here, and today I'm excited because I will be doing something for the first time ever, and that is unboxing the S22 Ultra. And yes, this is my first Android phone ever, and this is my first unboxing phone ever, so I'm excited to try it out and to switch SIM cards from my iPhone 13 Pro Max to this S22 Ultra to see how it goes, what's the quirks and features that I like the most about Android and about this phone specifically, and if it's worth it to switch from iOS to Android. But of course, not divulgating too much. This is just the first unboxing and the first impressions on this video, and then I will have a comparison for the camera comparison, and then a full review, and then a full comparison between the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the S22 Ultra, then which should you buy, should you not buy the S22 Ultra. But of course, I have to tell you right now, even though if I like this phone way more than my iPhone 13 Pro Max, I cannot keep it. This is just a review unit. I will not keep the S22 Ultra because my iPhone 13 Pro Max, it's part of my iOS ecosystem that I have invested in so much, and so I cannot switch. But I have a little sentiment that I will prefer the iPhone 13 Pro Max at the end, although you have to be reminded that I'm not completely unbiased. Everyone has bias, and my bias is towards Apple, although I am very open-minded and I want to try out new things, and so I'm very excited for trying out this S22 Ultra. I will tell you the fairest way possible if it's good or if it's not. But not talking about more, I want to tell you that please leave a like and subscribe. This is a very different type of content that I'm not used to, so I invested a little bit on the channel right now, and so I would like you to leave a like and subscribe. Of course, this S22 Ultra is in the Phantom Black color, and I couldn't be more excited to unbox it. So no further ado, let's unbox it, shall we? So we're here and we're going to unbox this box. So I got myself a knife, and careful kids when handling knives, but let me try to cut this thing. It's not easy. Maybe it's closed this way. No, I don't know. Okay. Maybe I'm in front of the camera. Let me just switch. And okay, much better now. So, cutting. Careful with knives. You can cut yourself or hurt others. So be very careful when handling with knives. No more knives. One giant box. Let's see if Samsung sent a care package, and all of this cardboard for one box. That was exaggerated. So let's put this down and get rid of this box. Yep, that was done. So here we have the S22 Ultra on its beautiful package. I do not want to ruin it, but I don't have much choice, so let me just try to move it carefully so that I can return it after. And there it is, the S22 Ultra. This, save it for later. And so here it is. The box was the S22 Ultra. It's very thin compared to Apple boxes. It's actually thinner or about the same. It has a seal. It's, let me see if I can show you. There's no interesting info here, but it's the S22 Ultra. Here's the information if you want to see it. 256 gigabytes, 12 gigabytes RAM, Phantom Black. So yes, it has a seal here that we have to break, so we have to get the knife again, and I could try to remove it. Let me see if I can do it. Yep, I can. Oh, but it breaks. Okay, I understand. So if you try to remove the seal, it breaks. Nice security feature there, Samsung. So let me just cutting the seal in. Okay, 1, 2. The seal is broken and the phone will be revealed. Careful to not drop this phone. Wow, very beautiful. Very interesting first unboxing. My first Android unboxing ever. Wow, this phone is very beautiful. You can see here, look at it. Very, very cool. It has these stickers still. Let me remove them. This is the best part of the unboxing. Wow. Incredible. It still has this sticker that I'm pissed. I don't like this. I have to remove it. But let's get into the front. It has a screen protector. Is it? Or is it the plastic? Very nice, very beautiful. And this is it. This is the S22 Ultra. Before I do anything, wow, these sides are very weird. It's very beautiful, this phone. I have to remove this sticker, which is also very easy to remove. Let me save it all for later because I have to return this phone. Let me not drop it. And this is the S22 Ultra. What do you think, guys? It's very beautiful. Let me try to turn it on. Let me put the box here and let's see if it turns on. Yep, it's turning on now. And I will leave it here, turning on, while we get to the rest of the box, shall we? So, I put everything here. And we don't have anything more. Yes, we do have, and here it is. So we got this, which has some paperwork and the SIM card tool, and that's it. No charger in the box, no earphones, just like Apple's experience. So let's get rid of this, all of the knives and stuff, all of the frame. Get out of the frame, please. Weird. Let me get the Samsung. So here it is. So it's Portuguese. Next. I mean, this will be, screw it. This will be a I don't know how to use Android, so okay. So here's my network. I will configure this phone and then, of course, I will show it to you. Okay, so see you next. So I finished the configuration of the Galaxy. As you can see, we are in, and this is Android. So I'm switching things right now from my iPhone, concluding this thing here is transferring stuff from my iCloud. It's at 2%, so that's good. And this is Android. So I started with 60%, now we are at 57%. I mean, I chose DuckDuckGo. It's actually very cool to configure stuff like choosing your browser, and then I'm doing something that I never done, which is taking off the S Pen for the first time. Oh, it has a clicky thing. Oh, it's actually very premium. Wow, it's good. So these are my first impressions using the Galaxy Pen. So, smart selecting, yeah, thanks, translate. Okay, if I scroll over, it translates. S Pen for text. So I can click on stuff. Conclude. Okay, thanks. So let me try out. No, not this. Okay, let me just try it out. I need something. Samsung Notes. So new note. So let me just try to write something like hello. It has a very strange noise. See if you can hear it. Let me just try to put the sound up. Whoa, this is strange. Having the sound button on the same size as the lock button would be quite weird to adapt. But this is the sound. Yep, that's the sound. It's pretty cool. So, but this is using the Samsung Notes. This is the S Pen. It's useful, but how can I delete this? Okay, this is done. So this is the S Pen. When you're done, you can simply put it away like this. And if you don't even like it, you just leave it there, and you are not able to use it. I mean, you have the Google Store. You can download stuff. You have all the Google services. It will be cool to use. Some of them, others not. This is the launcher. You can find all of your apps. You have Netflix pre-installed. That's weird. But I mean, that's the camera. Let me just open the camera quickly. You have a 0.6. This is my ultra wide. This is my normal camera, the 3x camera, the 10x camera. Wow, this is weird. And of course, you have the 100x camera where I cannot use it. But I will have a full depth comparison using this camera. But by the way, this is just the front camera if you want to see me. Hi guys, hello. But it's actually pretty good. Wow, I like this. It's very, very good. But it's very, very cool. I like this phone. I will try out the camera. That's the most important part. You have all of these settings here. I can show you. You have all of these settings there. And of course, I will try to record a video using the iPhone 13 Pro Max's camera and then the iPhone S22 and then the S22 Ultra to show you how good it is. So yes, this is my first impressions, my unboxing of the S22 Ultra. I hope you enjoyed it. So that's been it. This is my unboxing for the S22 Ultra. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a very beautiful phone. My SIM card is already in here, so this will be a fun 2 weeks so I can try all of the features of Android. I can tell you right now that I'm getting pissed off by that sound of the notification that you get on your phone and by the fact that you don't have that silencing button like on the iPhones. But that's my first gripe with Android, my first gripe with Samsung phones. But of course, I'm very excited to try it out, mainly for the camera. I've tried out the front camera and of course the selfie camera, and oh god, it's very, very good. It's actually very, very good. Let me try it out. And I mean, god, the fingerprint reader is very, very fast, and I like a lot of the features here. But there's some stuff that I don't like the Play Store. I do prefer the App Store. My experience here, I knew the Play Store, I've used it before, and I can tell right now the experience is not that great. The S Pen is something that I won't use a lot, so I'm not worried about it. And yes, the Android managing the notification stuff is not that cool. But again, it's the Android lifestyle. I have to get used to it. And I mean, I will try to learn something, watch videos online to see how can I customize the Android experience to make it my own. But I'm very excited. I like the color that I chose, Phantom Black. It's very, very beautiful. And of course, the main thing here is the cameras that I want to try it out. But I mean, this is a Samsung phone. I have an iPhone. I don't have any things for the ecosystem. I have the Galaxy Buds Pro. I've used it. I mean, if you want a spoiler for the review, they're not that great. But let's see how they integrate with the Samsung phone. But again, like I was telling you, this is a temporary thing. This is just for 2 weeks, but it's going to be a fun 2 weeks to experience. But what are your thoughts on this iOS to Android fight and iOS to Android switch? Are you using an Android phone? Are you using an iOS phone? Do you like the S22 Ultra? Do you prefer the S22 Ultra or the iPhone 13 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can keep up with the content of me trying to switch with the S22 Ultra. And you know what? Follow me on Twitter, because there I will do daily updates on this experience to the S22 Ultra. So follow me on Twitter if you get them daily and if you want to know how it's going daily for daily updates and gripes. So I think it will be very, very cool. It will be difficult at first, but there will be a lot of growing pains. But I mean, it's normal when switching platforms. But what are your thoughts? Don't forget to leave on the comments down below. And while you're there, please subscribe and leave a like on this video. This was S22 talking to you here. Bye.